Hey guys, on today's Project Woo, we're going to look at the transmission, take the pan off and see what kind of shape it's in, and then clean it up and get it ready to put on this 302. Woo! So what I've went ahead and done is, you can see, pull the transmission up, I'm letting it drain out. I'm going to get all that fluid out. So let's go ahead and get the pan off right now. Well, that was pretty easy. This is just like, exactly like skinning a deer. Exactly. Exactly the same. There's no difference. No difference at all. Except for that. That's different. That's different too. But other than that, it's the same. That's different. This transmission was supposed to have been rebuilt. It's probably got about 20,000 miles on it, I think the guy said. Looks pretty good. Deer heart. But the screen is perfectly clean. You can see right through it. And there we have it, the quick and dirty way, and easy way to clean a transmission. Just going to let this hang and dry all night. This way, when I put it on the engine or get up under the car and have to test fit it, because the 70 Maverick tunnel is smaller than the other Mavericks, so I'm going to have to test fit this to see what I need to do. But the point being, it won't be so greasy. Maybe I can do it without it sliding and hitting me in the face. But I'm not going to paint the transmission. I was going to, but I'm just going to leave it like this. It'll be cooler on it. It won't trap as much heat. With that said, thanks for watching again. Project Woo!